With so many people working from home right now, I've gotten a ton of questions about background blur or background replacement inside of video calls. That is table stakes type of stuff for a lot of products now. Zoom and Microsoft both have something like that. Some of Cisco's products have that as well. I'm actually going to show you how to take it a step further and really enhance and maybe even have a lot of fun with the video conferencing experience. What we need to do is install a virtual camera. This virtual camera will allow our physical camera, the lid camera in our laptop or a USB camera or whatever, to capture our video, send it through the virtual camera and apply effects, and then feed that virtual camera into our web conferencing application. To start, open up a web browser and search for the Snap Camera. You can find the Snap Camera online. We want to navigate to the Snap Camera web page and actually download it. When you're here, you'll have to verify your system requirements, hit the download option, which will take you to the download page. Scroll to the bottom, accept the terms, and ensure that you are in fact a human. Download for either your Mac or your Windows PC. I'll assume that once this is downloaded, you know how to get it installed. Simply double-click on the application, hit Next, and the application will be installed for you. Next, open the Snap Camera application. On a Mac, simply search for it. On Windows, find it in your Start menu. You'll see yourself on the screen. This was actually using your web camera. To use the Snap Camera with Webex, when you launch the meeting, you can go to the lower right-hand corner and actually select and change the camera setting there. We want to do that. And from there, then you're good to go. You can join the meeting with the Snap Camera enabled. Inside of Zoom, the lower left-hand corner, you can toggle the camera there as well. We're good to go there. Should be able to start. In Microsoft Teams, navigate to the upper right-hand corner, choose Settings, look for the Devices tab on the left, scroll to the bottom, select the camera option, and choose Snap Camera, and with that, you're ready to join the meeting. As you can see, configuring the Snap Camera really doesn't do anything for us. In this case, I'm using a Zoom meeting. It looks exactly the same as the camera feed coming in from the laptop itself. However, if we jump back over to the Snap Camera application, we can look for different filters or different backgrounds to actually apply. They'll be applied in the Snap Camera. They'll then also be applied in our meeting. Let's look for a beach background. Here we go. The beach background is applied. As you can see in the Snap Camera, it's available. It is also available inside the meeting window, so the participants on the far end are actually going to see me as if I'm sort of at the beach. There's other effects as well. For instance, if you want to look a lot younger, you could use the baby filter. Something like that. If you want to look a little more, studly, something like this. Or if you want to look like your twin sister, you could use the twin application. If you have filters you'd like to use, you can simply hit the star. In this case, the space filter or the space background I find pretty cool. All of the starred filters or backgrounds that you've saved can be found under here. Of course, if you're a Fortnite fan, or if you wish you were a pilot, or here's my my hipster beard look that I use on special customer meetings, of course. That's really it. Hopefully you're getting some of your own ideas of what you can do with this. If you have questions, comments, tips, or tricks, leave them below. I want to thank you for watching. Have fun, and I hope to see you sometime soon.